Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I will discuss about how to install Java 21 version. Some bullet points we should know up to Java 1.8 version, both JDK and JRE, they are provided later versions. That means Java 9 version onwards only JDK they are providing. We can download Java version in two ways. We can download Java in two ways. Two ways. One is from oracle.com. Oracle.com. Second one is open JDK. JDK. If you are downloading from oracle.com, you need to create Oracle account. So let's get started downloading and installing and configuration. JDK. I will use open JDK. Yeah, I will use this one. Second one, open JDK. From this website, I will download open JDK 21 download. Yeah, then you will get. I will provide this link at the description, so you can just click this link and download. For mine is this is the 21 version. Mine is the Windows, so I am downloading this zip file. It started the downloading. This link I will provide at the description. Download link. Download link. Here it is downloading. Total MB is 192 MB is there. Once downloading, meanwhile, you can create one folder. Yeah. So in after downloading, I'm installing in D drive. Right click in D drive, create one folder like Java. You can mention like softwares, install another folder like Java 21. Yeah, installation. Downloading is done. Control X. Go to D drive, software, Java as an paste here, extract here, right click, extract all is there. You can use it is extracting same folder. Extract. Here it is extracting. 15% is completed, 22, 25, 26% is completed. Once, meanwhile, you can open the environment variables. We need to set the path. Yeah, that few other variables. You can take new capital path. You need to pass path. Once extraction is done, 45. JDK pin, you can copy this location. Right click, show more, properties, security, copy this path. Control C. In environmental variables, D drive software, Java, up to bin folder. Okay. Here are the system variables. Java underscore home. Control V. Okay. 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 99% extraction is done. One more percentage pending. See, they are provided JDK. They are provided JDK. There is no JR. Remember this point. Open CMD. Check Java version. Java C. If it is working, Java successfully installed. Java C. Okay. Next command. Java C hyphen version. Version is 22. Java space hyphen version. It will show. Yeah. This is where we can install the Java software. I will also run one sample Java class I will create and I will show. Right click new, test document, public class A, public static void main string args system dot out dot println hello hello. You can save as like save as a dot java. You can right click. Yeah, desktop. In desktop a dot java is there. You can use cmd cd space desktop. Cannot find cls. Go to desktop, right click, show more, properties, security, copy this path, cmd cd space cls java c tab. And here it will generated one by dot class file dot class. You can run, you will get output like after running you will get output like hello java say java java space a. Yeah, hello. Thank you for watching. For more videos please subscribe to this YouTube channel.